Hi guys and welcome back to English Academy with أديش. أهلا وسهلا مجددا في قناة English Academy لتعليم اللغة الإنجليزية بطريقة بسيطة بالدارجة ديالنا لتمكين أكبر عدد ممكن من المواطنين أنهم يطلعوا على هذه اللغات. ألو كما قلت لكم هذا الدرس هذا هو تتمة الدرس اللي درناه من قبل. كنا هضرنا على الكومباريسون، كنا هضرنا على الكومباريتيف وور، كيفاش كنقارنوا فقط جوج ديال الأشياء أو جوج ديال الأشخاص فقط. دابا غادي نهضروا على السوبرلاتيف فورم، كيفاش نقارنوا ما بين اكثر من جوج ديال الاشياء او ديال الاشخاص، على الاقل ثلاثه اشياء فما فوق. اوكي، وحتى هنا غادي نشوفوا نفس الشيء، غادي يكونوا عندنا short adjectives وعندنا long adjectives. Short adjectives like big or hot and long adjectives like interesting, difficult, expensive, etc. Of course, we will see this through practice. دائما عن طريق practice and practice. So look please at the following examples. So we have here three people. We have Bill, George, and James. Bill is 20 years old, George is 24 years old, and James is 30 years old. دابا هنا درنا comparative form. غادي نقولوا Bill is younger than George. Yes, Bill صغر من George. It's true. Bill is younger than George. And George is younger than James. درنا جوج ديال الحالات ديال comparative form. Bill صغر من George و George صغر من James. ولكن شكون فيهم الأصغر واحد؟ الأصغر هو Bill. هنا غنقولوا Bill is the youngest person. This is the superlative form. Bill is the youngest person. كناخذوا الادجكتيف young وكنجيبوا قبل منها الارتيكل the the وفي الاخر ديال الادجكتيف كنديروا est. This is how we form the superlative form. هكا باش كنكونوا الصيغه ديال comparison ديال المقارنه ما بين اكثر من جوج ديال الاشخاص او ديال الاشياء. Okay? I give you another example. The temperature in Marrakesh today is 40 degrees Celsius. The temperature in Ouarzazate today is 43 degrees Celsius. The temperature in Laayoune today is 46 degrees Celsius. So, as we can see, Ouarzazate is hotter than Marrakesh. Yes, this is the comparative form. ولكن شكون الأسخن فيهم؟ هي العيون. إذا العيون is the hottest city. Okay? We put the article the and we put est at the end of the adjective. This is how we form the superlative form. Another example, Rida is 70 years old. Amin is 75 years old. Ali is 80 years old. So here we have three people. We have Rida, Amin, and Ali. We compare them. Amin is older than Rida. This is the comparative form. فاش كنقارنوا ما بين جوج ديال الأشخاص. ولكن غنجيو superlative form. شكون الأكبر سنا؟ غنقولوا Ali is the oldest one. Okay? Now big. The adjective big. Casablanca is the biggest city in Morocco. Large. Russia is the largest country in the world. Big and large كنستعملوهم جوج باش نهضروا على المساحة، مساحة ديال المدن أو ديال الدول. Okay? Fast. Fast بمعنى سريع. البراق is the fastest train in Morocco. Here we have three people. So we have Mary, we have Tracy, and Anna. They're all fat. Yes. But Anna is the fattest one. We have another example. Tall. The adjective tall. We have Michael, Peter, and Paul to compare. They're all tall. But Paul is the tallest one. وكما العادة كنديروا الارتيكل the قبل الادجكتيف والادجكتيف كنزيدوا ليه est at the end. Small. The Vatican is the smallest country in the world. Long. The Nile is the longest river in the world. High. Mount Tokal is the highest mountain in Morocco. High كنستعملوها باش نهضروا على الطول ديال الجبال. Okay? Mountain ما كنقولوش tall. People we say tall, yes. We say Mark is tall, but for mountain we say high. Cold. Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth. Yes, it's the coldest place on earth. Rainy. India is the rainiest country in the world. Clean. Ifran is the cleanest city in Morocco. Rich. Elon Musk is the richest man in the world. Hard. Hard بمعنى الصلب قاصح. Diamond is the hardest mineral in the world. Light. Light بمعنى خفيف. Adjective كنعني بها خفيف. Light. As a noun, you can استعمله as a noun يعني ضوء. Yes. But as an adjective it means not heavy يعني خفيف. Hydrogen is the lightest gas on earth. Famous. Famous هنا it's not a short adjective. It's a long adjective. Okay? ولأنها long adjective معلش تخضع نفس القواعد ديال short adjectives. اللي كنزيدو كنقولو the est تنزيدو على est. The biggest, the hottest, the smallest. No. Here famous because it's a long adjective غنقولو the most famous. Okay? And we can give this example. Awita is the most famous Moroccan athlete. Another long adjective, popular. Popular بمعنى شعبي. Football is the most popular sport in the world. Yes, people all over the world love football. Dangerous. Base jumping is the most dangerous sport. Exciting. Jamafna is the most exciting place to visit in Marrakesh. Powerful. Powerful بمعنى قوي. The US dollar is the most powerful currency in the world. Currency بمعنى العملة. Difficult. A firefighter has the most difficult job. Expensive بمعنى غالي. The most expensive house in the world is Buckingham Palace in London. Romantic. Romantic. Venice in Italy is the most romantic city in Europe. And now we will move to the rule. Alors بدينا بالpractice كما العادة كنبداو practice عاد كندوزو للقاعدة. The rule. The rule هنا بحال في comparative form عندنا short adjective and we have long adjectives. Okay? For short adjectives we put the article the and est at the end. Okay? The biggest, the smallest, the richest, etc. Okay? And for long adjectives we put the most first and we add the adjective. كنديرو the most عاد كنزيدو the adjective. The most popular, the most famous, the most expensive, the most difficult, etc. كما غادي نشوفو هنا هاد النطق. And of course, as I said earlier, every rule has exceptions, and we do have exceptions here again. عندنا استثناءات لهذه القاعدة، وهذه الاستثناءات هي اللي شفناها في comparative form. غنشوفو دابا superlative form ديالها اللي هي good, bad, and far. Superlative form ديال good هي the best. ماشي the goodest. No, this is an exception. We say the best. Superlative form ديال bad هي the worst. And the superlative form ديال far هي the farthest or the furthest. Okay? So these are the three exceptions. And I will give you examples. شوفوا هاد الأمثلة هاد معنا. Okenden is the best place for skiing in Morocco. The best place. أحسن مكان للسكي في المغرب. The best place. COVID-19 is the worst disease in the world since 2019. COVID-19 is the worst disease in the world since 2019. And the third example, the farthest. Liguira is the farthest city in the south of Morocco. And now we will move to the last part, which is of course the spelling. Alors بالنسبة للspelling كيفاش كنكتبو superlative form كنزيدو est. الأغلب short adjectives. We add est to most short adjectives. Small, the smallest. Short, the shortest. Old, the oldest. دايما ما نساوش الارتيكل the ضروري. عندنا الحالة الثانية هي اللي كيكون عندنا الادجكتيف ديجا كيسالي ب فهاد الحالة ما نزيدوش est. No, we add just st to adjectives and then in e. Example, large, the largest. Large ديجا كيسالي ب wide, the widest. وعندنا حالة أخرى هي ملي تكون عندنا كما شفنا في الcomparative form تكون عندنا الادجكتيف short وعنده هذه الصيغة ديال CVC consonant vowel consonant. هنا we double the last consonant, okay, and we add EST. كندبلو الكونسونانت الأخراني وكنزيدو EST. Examples, for example, hot, the hottest, okay, fat, the fattest. Hot كتسالي H فيها H O T, H which is a consonant, O a vowel, T a consonant. So here we double the consonant, كندبلو الحرف الأخراني كندبلو وكنزيدو EST. Hot, the hottest, okay? Big, the biggest, okay? هادو هما الحالات اللي عندنا. وعندنا الحالة الأخيرة اللي غادي نشوفو دابا هي ديال adjectives ending in Y. هنا for adjectives ending in Y we change Y to I and we add EST. حيدو Y كنردوها I كنزيدو EST. For example, funny, the funniest, rainy, the rainiest. الوغ كان هذا الجزء الثاني من الدرس ديالنا ديال comparison. شفنا the comparative form واليوم شفنا the superlative form. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson guys. See you pretty soon. إلى اللقاء.